Google just revealed a brand new Fitbit wearable in a short video, and it immediately feels like a response to where the market is heading. For the longest time, the space for screenless fitness trackers was basically owned by Whoop, but that's no longer the case. We're now seeing a clear shift toward minimal, no-screen devices, with more brands offering alternatives that focus purely on health tracking without the distractions of a display. Now, adding to this, a Bloomberg report confirms that Google has been actively developing a screenless Fitbit band aimed directly at competitors like Whoop and Oura. We actually just got our first real look at it via a teaser from Stephen Curry, who's now officially a performance advisor for Google. The device looks like a premium two-tone fabric band, specifically a light gray center section with these vibrant orange accents along the sides and the clasp. No screen, no interface, and zero distractions. It's built to be worn 24/7, quietly collecting data in the background and feeding it into the redesigned Fitbit app. Google has confirmed that Curry isn't just a face for the brand. He's working directly with the engineering teams to help cook up the device. He's actually helping train the AI algorithms based on how elite athletes use data for things like shot quality and workout optimization. And Curry being involved here isn't random either. He's officially moved on from his decade-long run with Under Armour, and while he's still building out the independent Curry brand for footwear, Google is now his home for performance tech. This feels like more than just a partnership. It's about Curry using Google's AI to take the kind of elite data used by pro athletes and turning it into something that actually works for everyone. More importantly, Bloomberg mentions that the device will follow a hybrid model, and this is where it gets interesting for your wallet. Unlike Whoop, where the hardware is free, but you're locked into a mandatory subscription to see any data, Google is reportedly charging for the hardware upfront. The catch? Basic tracking is free, but the deeper Gemini-powered insights will sit behind a Fitbit Premium subscription. That's a big deal. One of the biggest criticisms of Whoop has always been that subscription-only wall. Now, users finally have a choice. Pay for the hardware once and get your data, or subscribe for the high-level coaching. The real brain here is the new Gemini-powered personal health coach inside the app. While every screenless tracker has an app, Google is claiming this AI can actually talk to you about your recovery, sleep, and even nutrition based on your biometric trends. So when you put it all together, this isn't just a new Fitbit, it's Google repositioning the brand entirely. Instead of competing with smartwatches, they're moving into the screenless, insight-driven space where the focus is less on what you see on your wrist and more on what you learn from the data. Now, it is April 1st, so there's always a tiny chance this is an elaborate prank, but with Bloomberg reporting and Curry wearing the hardware, it feels very real. If you're curious to see how this plays out, make sure you're subscribed. I'll keep you posted as things evolve. Peace.